Morrison, White, Davis, Fraser Price, Forbes, Thomas, Jackson, Williams. Air of expectation around this one, and sent away cleanly this time. A very good start from Shelley and Fraser Price. Also Shericka Jackson in lane 7. It's Fraser Price and Jackson. Fraser Price has actually blown off this turn, but here comes Shericka Jackson, the fastest living woman over 200 meters, the world champion. Shericka Jackson, her personal best is 21:45. What does she produce tonight? 21.72 is the flash time for Shericka Jackson. A slight trailing wind, 21.71 for Jackson, and she defends. She is the double champion here inside the National Stadium yet again.
The fastest time in the world, viewers, was 21.91 by Julian Alfred. The fastest time in the world now, 21.71 by Shericka Jackson. She's now the fastest 100-meter woman in the world this year and the fastest 200-meter woman in the world this year.